So let's take a look at Flipgrid on the phone. Okay, so it's a little bit different than the desktop version. So right here on the left, you'll see my desktop. On the right, you're going to see my phone. Okay, so let's go to the app. All right, so to get started, you'll notice as an educator here that you can't even really access anything on this app. What you need to tap on here is Educator Dashboard, and then it opens it up in Safari. I'm not a big fan of this because now I have to actually log in, which I will do here. So I've logged in now. My login is successful. Now here's what you're going to see. So right here you can tap on Add a New Grid, and you can go through the same steps that you do normally if you were to do this on your phone, or I'm sorry, on the desktop. Let's just tap here, test. We'll call it yes, just because that's what we're going to do. All right, school email, we'll go to that now. We're going to keep the same code. Let's go next. All right, we're going to skip this part here, go through it. All right, so you've got your grid. You can share it with Google Classroom on your phone. You can copy this and share the link. Let's tap on Go to Grid. So now you're here, okay? We'll tap on Add a New Topic. All right, so you've got your grid created. Now you need to actually have a topic for students to record their video. Okay, so, well, let's call this one Yes To, just for fun, okay? So now on your phone, you're going to want to type your question here. Okay, what time did you go to bed and get up? Okay, this is a question I'm going to ask my advisory students here pretty soon. Okay, so now here's why I said you better type your question like this, because if you would rather ask your question in a video, let's tap on it. You can't do it. You have to use a desktop to use or to record a video. Okay, so you can't do that. Well, let's tap on Create, and now we've got a topic, and we can share that with students. Okay, so overall, just by the looks of things, it seems as if it's better to use Flipgrid on your computer because you can record the videos. It's just a little less clunky. Nonetheless, it is available on phone for teachers to use.